Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into the Google account you want backed up and check storage. Google One lists quota. Next, make sure the Google Photos app is installed and updated on your phone and that you're on Wi-Fi or willing to use mobile data. Open Photos, tap your profile icon in the top right, and select Photo Settings. Once there, choose Backup and Sync to begin the setup. This is the first actionable step to turn backups on. Now you configure the middle steps. Turn Backup and Sync on, then pick the Google account to store your photos. Choose Upload Quality. Original preserves full resolution, high quality saves space. Next, tap Backup Device folders and mark the folders you want included. This prevents stray screenshots or app images from filling storage. Make sure to set cellular upload preferences and decide if backups run only while charging or anytime. These settings finish by confirming that backup is active. Check the photo's main screen for the cloud icon and progress messages. If you need immediate results, force a manual backup by tapping the profile icon and selecting Backup Now. Sometimes restarting the app or device kick starts the process. If backups stall, make sure account storage isn't full, sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache. These steps resolve most problems. If something else fails, check network or Google service status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.